Alright guys, this is the Canal Walk Improvements Phase 2 project for the City of Richmond. This project was actually, bids were taken back in April. I'm not sure that it is going to be awarded. There were only two bidders. One was $586,000 or so, and the other was $5 million. So it says it's closed on the city's site. I'm not sure, since they've changed the procurement site recently, if that means that it's actually awarded or not. If it's not awarded, they will probably rebid it, and it will take place in another, I don't know, 6 months to a year. But let's take a look at the project here. So this is downtown. It's near the Triple Crossing, if you know what that is. I guess east of 14th Street or Hull Street, the Mayo Bridge, right near the flood wall. So you've got flood wall. Let's see, I think it's here. Here is the triple crossing, so there's an existing bridge that goes over the canal and like a ADA ramp that provides access to the rest of the canal walk. So it looks like this is the existing condition here. There's just grass and bushes over here, and they are going to turn that into a ramp to access the canal walk. I think to make it easier for cyclists and, well, anybody really. Let's see here. Yeah, so let's see if I can get the developed plan here. There we go. So instead of going around like this, you would have a ramp that just goes down to the rest of the canal walk here. It's relatively straightforward. You got a retaining wall here, and a new concrete path. This is a relatively small project. I think the duration is 270 days. Most of that, I imagine, will be taken up with, or not most of it, but a lot of it will be taken up with submittals and paperwork type things. Hydrologic stuff. There's your plantings, so you get a bunch of plantings here. A pet waste station. Zoom in on that a little bit. So that's the landscape plan. Information on the trees. Here's the retaining wall and kind of a profile of the ramp. Have handrail or like a ornamental metal fence on top of the retaining wall. It looks like the retaining wall is going to have a granite stone veneer on it. And that's pretty much it. A simple little project, just a ramp and a retaining wall and some plantings, just to improve access to the area. So, and like I said, I think there were two bids. One was 586,000 and one was 5 million. So, with there only being one, I guess, what's the word I'm looking for? Reasonable bid. They may be rebidding this at a later date, hoping to get more contractors. So, but either way, I imagine it will be coming within the next 6 months to a year. So that's the project. Comment below if you got any more questions or want any more information. Thanks for watching.